We got a phone call from a young boy that found his sibling in their home unresponsive. Fingerprint evidence was collected at the scene to run an electrophoresis gel. There has been multiple homicides in the area, and the Department of Homicide are hoping to catch the suspect that is known for stalking women. Will we finally catch a break? So here we have a VTR loci 1 in the blue, and the victim is, here's his two loci. The victim's father, which is suspect 1, matched perfectly with the victim, which is no surprise since he is the biological father. Suspect 2 only matched in one loci but not the second loci. And the same with suspect 3. He matched the bottom loci but not the other loci either. So we can kind of rule out suspect 2 and suspect 3 on the VTR loci 1. But the victim's brother, which is our suspect 4, he also actually matched the victim on both loci. And then here, so that shows that the victim's brother is suspect 4 and the victim's father is suspect 1 right now are prime suspects. And so now we go to our VTR loci 2, which is in the orange here, and we have our loci for victim with the victim. And then here we show that the victim's father, suspect 1, matched one loci but not the second one. So we can go ahead and rule out the victim's father as suspect 1 because the actual evidence has to match in both VTR loci 1 and VTR loci 2 to actually be the stalker and the murderer. So suspect 2, which we had ruled out in the VTR loci 1, actually on this one does match on both loci, but because he didn't actually match on both, we can go ahead and rule him out. Suspect 3, he matched on one loci but not the second, so we already had ruled him out from VTR loci 1, but this in VTR loci 2 he also was not a match, so we can go ahead and rule him out. Suspect 4, which was the victim's brother, he again actually did match on both loci here. So between these two, VTR loci 1 and VTR loci 2, the victim's brother, the one that actually called in and was the one that found the young female unresponsive, shows that he is the stalker, and because he did match on all of the evidence in electrophoresis gels that we ran.